have that too? You want me to help him or you want to help him?
That's looking pretty.
John is going to have a cow. Ha ha.
There you go. Slap happy.
Thank you. Now I got to get all these pieces of wood.
How do you establish a hive in there?
Well, yeah, you have to just put bees in it, call it a day. Ha! Would she leave one? Thank you, Melanie. I have a surprise in the car. Can you come help me get it out? You probably should be afraid to look. The one thing was a gift. 2 things I bought when we went to the bee store. You like your keys? Because they were in the house on top of the sacks. Oh, you got the keys. Okay, he's got the keys. Here he comes. You are scared. You got the dropsies. You can see it in there. Are you scared yet?
No. Curious. Wow, where'd you get that at?
Melanie gave it to me. Melanie gave it to Sharon as a gift for me.
Wow.
It needs some work.
Yeah.
The top bar hive needs some work. I don't think it's ever been used. These are brand new. They've not ever had wax on them.
Okay. Yeah, we can put wax on it. We got plenty of wax. Just melt it down.
You just melt it and you brush it,
let them build
like
off
right
of
here, and let them build. And I think it needs some mesh in the bottom.
Okay.
And get it out. Think you can handle it? This I bought. I bought me a top feeder, and I got
A rack, the whole frame.
Yeah, frame rack. That's a hot commodity, that frame rack. Can you handle it? You need me to put this down and help you.
Hold on, I don't want to get cut by the metal.
You can take the top off. I got it. Take the top off. Yeah, I don't think there's ever been a bee in this thing. If there has, it's... Here's the follower boards that I thought I was going to have to make. I didn't know they were in there.
It's okay. I mean, it's a little...
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's all right. I mean, we're going to try this. Is this follower board?
Yeah.
We only have one follower board. Okay, I'll have to make another one of these.
Okay.
But that'll be easy.
Okay.
Okay? Can you get it out or you want me to help you?
No, I can get it out.
Where are we going to sit it?
That's a whole different ball of wax. That's a whole different ball of wax there.
So what it needs wire in the bottom. Either that or just, I think we'll just put a new piece of screen on the bottom.
Yeah.
I mean, it's there, but we just will rescreen it. And the entrance, it's got one entrance. It's got some ants in it. This is the entrance here. I'm used to seeing holes drilled, but this has a actually landing board and a bottom entrance, which is okay. I may have to drill some vent holes in the top. And if I want to make that into 2 hives, I'd just open up this end. But I don't know. I think we'll leave it 1.
Just leave it 1. We'll see how it works.
If we get bees to go in this, these are easy build.
Easy build.
These are easy build. These are easier build than.
Do for winter. How they winter.
I don't know. This wood looks thicker than.
It is, but I'm also looking at, you can't, like, you have a feeding board here. You're not going to.
Right, you'd have to do a jar.